look into Kevin Costner's extravagant world. Prepare to be transported into the mesmerizing universe of Kevin Costner, a world where artistry, opulence, and a heartwarming commitment to philanthropy harmoniously coexist. In this video, we embark on a captivating journey through the life and career of a Hollywood icon. Beyond the silver screen, we explore the grandeur of his accomplishments, from blockbuster movies to innovative endeavors, all while delving into the altruistic passions that make this extraordinary actor, producer, and humanitarian a true luminary. Hey there! Welcome to New Money Luxury, your all-in-one source for all things about athletes, celebrities, and royalties, where we talk about their lifestyle, spending habits, and luxurious means of living. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let's begin by taking a look at his impressive property list. Among all of Costner's properties, his sprawling, extravagant 10-acre oceanfront property in Carpinteria, California is the most prized. The projected worth of this celebrity hideaway is $145 million. Although Costner had previously owned a beachfront home in Carpinteria, he reportedly paid $28.5 million for a 17-acre parcel that comprised a modest ranch with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths in 2006 after seeing a for sale sign while out running. Since he sold 7 acres to a neighbor back in 2007, he has been able to combine all of his properties into one large estate. Because of its clifftop location, this home offers unparalleled views of the ocean. Costner never completed the construction of his dream home in Aspen because of his commitments to his family and his time spent there. The estate has its own private beach, stretching for 500 feet and framed by cliffs, where Costner has built what looks like a vacation home complete with patio furniture and umbrellas. Costner transformed a polo practice field on the property into a baseball diamond. There is a riding trail near the house that offers stunning panoramas of the Santa Barbara coastline, islands, and mountains. In 2017, the celebrity put their lavish mansion up for sale on the market for an astounding $60 million. The advertisement was removed later that year since it had not sold. Kevin's holiday home in Aspen, situated on 160 acres, may be the crown gem of his real estate portfolio, aside from the other beautiful residences in Santa Barbara. Dunbar Ranch, named after his character in Dances with Wolves, is a mansion with 12 bedrooms and enough space for 27 guests. It's been on the market for rent as of late for $36,000 a month and features lake access, a private baseball field, and 3 hot tubs, among other amenities. Kevin and Christine, who had been an item for 6 years, sealed the knot on their gorgeous property in 2004. To round up his real estate holdings, the actor also owns a number of other notable properties. According to The Cut, Kevin now resides in a Los Angeles apartment that he purchased following the conclusion of his divorce from Cindy Silver, his first wife. According to Insider, not only did the star invest in a property in Deadwood, South Dakota, but he also managed a restaurant and casino there. He discovered Deadwood while looking for a place to film Dances with Wolves and decided to settle there, eventually founding a restaurant there in 1991. According to the outlet, he finally decided to sell the property in 2020 because it did not bring him sufficient revenue. His selection in automobiles, which includes a customized Toyota Tundra, is probably the most well-known car in Kevin Costner's collection. Costner has had considerable modifications made to his Tundra so that it meets his demands while camping, as it is designed with greater grip and comfort on rough roads. The Audi Q7 is all you could want in an SUV, and more thanks to its quickness, agility, and sheer driving enjoyment. Stitched leather covers the seats and armrests, and both front buckets are heated and power adjustable. The SUV's fast cargo capacity is another plus for everyday use. His Audi S8, one of the most luxurious sedans in the brand's portfolio, is equipped with a strong and efficient 4-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine. The sport rear differential keeps the sedan stable and planted on any terrain, and the steering is precise and predictable. The plush seating is helped along by the sophisticated adaptive suspension system. In addition to being functional, the trunk's ample space for cargo is a plus. Featuring 21-inch wheels and quad exhaust outlets, the exterior of this vehicle is both attractive and sporty. Kevin Costner frequently drives a Shelby Mustang GT350H, his last automobile of choice. This high-performance, limited edition V8 automatic offers incredible rapid acceleration and a far greater peak speed than standard vehicles. The exterior design was also nicely executed, featuring the iconic Mustang characteristics of a tilting roof and a functional hood scoop. Kevin's green Mustang GT350H is a rare and beautiful car that should be cherished in every way it can be. In spite of the fact that he has a packed agenda, he always makes time to spend with the people he cares about the most. In the midst of the current divorce proceedings between him and their mother Christine Baumgartner, Kevin Costner was seen spending quality time with his children. While they were out doing their grocery shopping in Aspen, Colorado, the star kept a low profile by wearing a cowboy hat and sunglasses. His children, on the other hand, appeared to be having a great time as they navigated the parking lot in order to get to the vehicle that was reserved for the family. According to his wife, the two of them jetted around the world on private jets, slept in opulent hotels and private residences, spent $25,806 on boat expenditures, $21,807.67 on spa services, and $542,303.47 on gardeners. She also mentioned that they went on vacation to the Caribbean and Hawaii, and that their family visits Aspen on multiple occasions each year, most commonly during the months of winter and summer. Whenever they go with them, they normally welcome family and friends. However, when they are at home, the pair frequently host parties and has meals prepared by caterers or private chefs. She also mentioned that they have staff of people to assist with the maintenance of the house and the grounds. Lastly, Kevin Costner has been involved in various philanthropic activities and causes throughout his career. Costner has been an advocate for environmental conservation and has invested in technology aimed at cleaning up oil spills. He co-founded a company called Ocean Therapy Solutions, which developed a centrifuge device to separate oil from water more efficiently during oil spill cleanup efforts. This technology was used in the aftermath of the Deepwater Horizon oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. He has also made donations to children's hospitals, including a significant contribution to the Madras Medical Group in Oregon, which led to the naming of the Costner Medical Building. Also, he has supported educational initiatives and scholarships. In 2007, he donated $1 million to California State University, Fullerton, for a new baseball stadium and scholarships for student athletes. In addition to those, Kevin Costner is of Cherokee heritage, and he has shown support for Native American causes. He has been involved in projects aiming at preserving Native American history and culture. From his cinematic triumphs that have left him unforgettable in the world of entertainment to his unwavering dedication to making the world a better place through philanthropy, Kevin Costner has proven to be a rare blend of talent, charisma, and compassion. We've witnessed the grandeur of his achievements and the humility with which he carries himself, reminding us that true greatness often lies in the balance of success and selflessness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content, and be sure to comment on other celebrities, athletes, and royalties you would like us to profile in future episodes. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.